Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. We are back with another trainer. We are back with Dipali Goel with her soft skills and communication skills. Today, she is going to take us through a toolkit which is very, very important and where all of us need to make a note of because she is going to take a deeper and deeper take us deeper and deeper into how to give feedback. So over to you, Dipali.
Thank you so much, Radhika. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my fellow trainers.
Good
So,
evening.
today I'll be just giving you a toolkit which would be very handy for you to prepare your presentation. May I please ask you to have your notebooks, pens, or digital pens and digital screens on so that you can actually jot down the points? Okay. So, suppose if you are to be ready with a presentation, there are a few things you have to keep in mind. One, your title has to be very clear. What title are you looking for? What is the purpose of your presentation? What would be the framework of your presentation? What would be the takeaways? And if you want, there could be a downloadable or maybe a printed format to get the feedback of the persons you're giving your presentation to. To explain it better, I'll base my presentation today on a topic that is how to give your feedback. So, how do you start this topic? Once you have to start the topic, we have to, just start getting related to the topic. Let the audience also identify with the topic. So, how do I start this topic? So, first of all, I'll say, what is the purpose of giving the feedback? Why feedback matters? I can give them small acronyms like what I have chosen for the day. Grow. What is the purpose of giving the feedback? It helps you grow. Grow, G as in guide, R as in reinforce strengths, O as offer clarity, and W as feedback is a very good way to move forward. After you've been very clear about the purpose, also tell them that towards the end of the session, what are you expecting? Like today, I am expecting that the persons would come up better equipped to give the feedback. Okay. Then after doing this, we come to the framework. Like in the framework, what have I included? I have included when to give your feedback, what are the things you are going to observe while giving the feedback, and then also I have given some practice activities. I'll just give you a sample of what I'm thinking about. For instance, when to give the feedback, again I have chosen an acronym that is trust. Like I've just explained that your feedback has to be timely. Like sometimes the feedback has to be given pre-meeting, sometimes it has to be given post-meeting. So everything has to be, you have to tell you the feedback has to be timely. Then you have to give the feedback when the listener is actually receptive. You have to wait for the right moment to give your feedback. Your feedback has to be specific. Then you also have to make sure that your feedback is ensuring that it's a way towards improvement and it is not meant to bring anybody down. So after I tell this, then I come on to the next step. So what is it? It's a kind of a self introspection as to whenever you're looking at somebody, when you're listening to somebody, what are the things which you should keep in mind? Again, I have devised a small acronym. So today's session, I've just revolved around acronyms. That is what I've tried to use. Okay. So you can change it accordingly as to whatever is more suitable for you. So, this before giving a feedback, do remember that oasis of the desert, OASIS. You have to observe the speaker. You have to be very sure. A is ask. Ask, what do we mean by ask? Suppose you're going to give me a feedback. Try that feedback is not a monologue, it's a kind of a dialogue, because a person whom you are giving feedback to also deserves to be listened. Share your feedback as honestly as possible, and while you're giving your feedback, Just ensure that it is just for improving together, and be supportive. You have to be very clear in your message that you are being supportive. So after that, I'm just including, this is the framework I'm talking about. I'm just including how to give your feedback. So your feedback, it has to be specific, it has to be balanced, it has to be respectful, it has to be focused on helping the person improve. So I generally talk about a sandwich model in giving the feedback. Sandwich model as in start with a positive thought, then in the middle you can have something which you really want to convey, and then also have a positive thought on a parting note. This will give a good taste in the mind of the listener, and he will be more receptive to accepting, he or she would be more receptive to your feedback. After this, it's a very good idea to have some practice activity. It could be anything which you can think of. At this moment, I can think of speaking a few sentences in front of the people, and trying and just ask their feedback on these sentences. Like, I'll just give you an example. For instance, the sentence could be do this, and then you can invite the feedback. And coming back to the A point, ask. I'll just tell you how we can change this monologue in giving the feedback to a dialogue. Suppose I say the sentence, do this, and I get the feedback that your sentence is vague. It is not actually conveying the message completely. Then how can we turn it into a dialogue? Suppose do this. I have to give a feedback on this. So I may just ask that, Dipali, when you say do this, what do you mean? Then maybe I'll answer that do this, I mean that do this task before 3 o'clock. So then the feedback could be, so your sentence would have been better had you said this, that complete this task before 2 o'clock. That would have given a complete information. So this is the way where you actually make whatever you want to say very clear, right? So the feedback has to be very clear. And one more thing which you have to convey to your listeners is that whenever giving a feedback, your tone has to be correct, and you have to be a little bit time sensitive. Don't take too much of time, and don't beat around the bush, be direct. After this, in my session, I include the checklist. Like, suppose when you give the feedback, just check on a few things, whether you have taken the point of view of the listener also, whether you have offered some solutions also, whether your tone was respectful, you were respectful towards time. All these are the things which you should be thinking up in your mind after giving the feedback. You have to be very clear about it. Towards the end, which I feel is very important, there has to be a takeaway. The listeners have to take a solid takeaway which will stay there in their mind. For instance, the takeaway for my session would be, if I am giving a session on how to give feedback, the takeaway would be that give your session with care. By care, I mean that your feedback should be clear, action focused, respectful, and encouraging. And another takeaway would be that you are there to help, highlight the positives, explain improvements, lead with respect, and provide solutions. Also, there is a downloadable form which I have made, which I would want all of my audience to fill, so that I also get a genuine feedback. So, dear fellow trainers, this is the kind of a toolkit we need. So, it's just like, suppose you are an engineer, you go on a site to repair something, you have a ready made toolkit. So, this is the toolkit which has to be ready with you, so that whenever you are there to present, you're ready, and you just have to fill in the blanks and you're ready with your presentation. Thank you so much for being patient, listeners. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, Dipali. That was
Thank you, Radhika.
indeed. I'm very, very insightful, and you made us actually think uh, how to give feedback and the easiest way that we could give it. So give it in. So today she took us through different kinds of acronyms. The toolkit had so many acronyms that you could use: grow, trust, oasis. Then you had your sandwich model. You have your sentence examples. Again, you have acronyms care and help. So At the end of the day, we use these simple techniques, we use this simple tool, and you give a perfect feedback no matter what your profession is. May it be a trainer, may it be a, I don't know, any professional. So thank you, Dipali. It was very, very easy to understand, and it was lovely. Uh,
Thank you so much, Radhika.
yes. A few words we would like to have from the audience. Um, yes, Sujata, would you like to go first?
Yes, Dipali, it was a wonderful explanation from your side, easy to understand and interesting as well, quite engaging with the audience, I must say. The audience would love to be a part of this, presentation with such amazing toolkits from your side. So you have got, you know, some special toolkits in your bag. I can see that.
Thank you so
So
much.
I would like to take out some, because here we are to, share our things to each other. So thank you for sharing those amazing toolkits, which I can also add to mine.
Thank you so much, Sujata. Your words are so encouraging.
Thank you. Thank you, Sujata. Would anyone else like to add something?
In fact, Dipali, I found this to be very insightful, and it's quite helpful. I mean, this entire the feedback, the whole process, it's quite helpful for a lot of managers and a lot of young managers per se, who could use that in their, especially for all their performance appraisals with their teams. It's quite helpful. It very much indeed is helpful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Frida.
Anyone else, please?
Well, I would just like to mention that something like feedback is something that we really don't give a thought. But she explained it very beautifully, both sides, like the one who is giving feedback and for whom we are giving the feedback. So both the angles were explained very nicely. So I think thank you for enlightening us and letting us know that feedback can be analyzed and given in such a proper and a perfect manner.
Thank you so much, Divya.
Thank you. Anyone else who would like to add anything?
Yes, Radhika, I just want to add that Nepali, it was very insightful session, and you explained very nicely like what all are the techniques and how we should give the feedback, and it is actually very important that how the other person is perceiving it. So we should give it very wisely so that whatever we are trying to convey, the other person is trying to perceive it the same way. Very
Thank you so much,
nice.
Dipanshi. Thank you so much.
Most
Yes.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for the lovely feedback. It's a wrap from our end. Thank you so much, audience. We'll come back with more trainers and more toolkits. Just keep
Thank you.
signed in, keep following us. Thank you.
Thank